Today we're going to
Taiwan.
It's been a hectic few days, 2 days to be honest. We were meant to fly out yesterday, but our flight got cancelled and rescheduled to the day after. So we were all hyped up yesterday to go on the flight.
Had our taxi booked and everything at 6 p.m. and then got a text message at 4 p.m. to say our flight had been cancelled.
The reason was because the flight that left Thailand that was meant to come pick us up didn't arrive in the UK. It went back to Thailand. Maybe there were some issues or something, so
Yeah.
probably a good thing that it got rescheduled.
Today our flight is at 4:10. So
But
yeah.
we lose a day in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Not that great, but what can we do?
Yeah.
Everything happens for a reason.
Exactly.
But yeah, on our way to Taiwan now.
Taiwan.
16-hour flight.
Yay! And this is the seat that Alexis got for extra leg room.
When I said I had knee surgery 6 months ago and they gave me an emergency seat.
Which is quite ironic because an injured person shouldn't really be helping somebody.
I think I'm capable of helping, so it's fine.
Funny. Anyway, yeah. And then mum and dad are sat in 52J and K, which is only a few rows down from there. Hi.
Either braised beef, shade and peppercorn sauce and fried potatoes, or Tongan chicken served with steamed rice. Don't know what Tongan chicken is.
And then cheese omelette served with chicken sausage or braised minced pork with mushrooms. I'm getting this one.
What's the dessert?
Fruit.
Taiwan dessert. No, but that.
Chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse or seasonal fruit. I think I'll take the chocolate mousse.
You get both. You get both.
Oh, very good.
Alexis ordered Tongan chicken. Wow.
Jiro.
Gyro with rice and vegetables.
I want
Bread.
warm bread,
Warm bread. What is
No.
that? Beef pastrami.
beef pastrami, orange and
Orange.
chocolate mousse.
And a chocolate mousse.
Katie unboxed her flight meal.
Gyro. Beef.
What is it?
Stop beef with potatoes. Look, show what you've done. Listening. Drink one. I get apple juice too. I get Sprite too. It's fine, it's fine.
Good.
It's quite peppery.
There's peppercorn sauce. And I have no rice.
Rice and omelette. How'd it go?
Jiro.
No, gyro. Oh, yours is better than mine.
More flavor. I think that's catered for more European and catered for Asian.
This is my channel. We just woke up after a little nap and now it's breakfast time.
Got the Jiro fan. There it is. I know my mandarin, okay?
It's pork with rice and vegetables. And then
Very
it comes
tasty.
with chaparami.
Chorizo.
Oh, chorizo, sorry.
And a
then
warm bread.
And another warm
It
bread.
tastes good, it doesn't look good.
This is actually really good.
Yeah.
This is good.
I did have chicken.
This is good. And the other option was chicken sausage
Very low one.
with cheesy omelette and mashed potatoes.
Why do you have to plain now? Orange juice always tastes weird.
What do you think?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Let's do it with fried egg.
We're in Thailand. So show us your. Should I? I've got this now though. Oh, they don't have the one that I like. They don't have the glutinous we're on our second flight from Thailand to Taipei, and I've ordered yellow fish curry with rice. Ate some fruit already, prawn salad, bread. And Alexis hasn't ordered anything because we're so full. But instead he's playing Angry Birds.
Keep failing for some reason.
We're arrived.
Yep.
It's Mum's birthday. Alexis is sorting out the money man. Alexis is gonna do the Taiwan lucky dip.
Lucky land.
Lucky land. The camera's here. Did we win anything? See you next time. Leave a roll. There's not much going on outside. Look at the traffic. In-house hotel, and this is our room tour. Quite nice, quite big. Nice double-sized bed. Oh, king-size bed. It has a TV. Nice cool mirror. And then, yeah, the view is rubbish. But it doesn't matter too much. This is our view. Pretty rubbish. Again, pretty cool, pretty nice. It has a bidet spray. As in, it's the one like the Japanese ones. And yeah, this is the shower. Pretty nice. Cute.
Katie with Hello Kitty. The Hello Kitty themed 7-Eleven.
Hey, I didn't see this.
You said you like these type of spinning toys. You don't need it.
What do you mean selection? How big the Yakults are. Wow! Do they have the cute thingies?
I don't know exactly.
No, I don't think it's this one. Oh no, it's just a magnet. Shackle. Only this one.
We came to buy the super card for top up. Katie got that one. Sanrio.
Yeah.
I got.
That's my room. Cute. Dad's travel card. And Mum's travel card.
That's a see-through one.
Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. We're going to the night market to go and get some food. Yeah. I want to play this. Very fatty. Yeah, try them.
It's ready fried chicken.
Wow. What?
Good, salty.
羽毛都要吗？ Is it good?
Not sweet.
Spicy. Yeah. Is it good? Really good. Alright.
Spicy though.
Hot. Is it not hot?
It's spicy for me.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's a spice powder that they call. Good.
Alexis ordered a Taiwanese burger.
On the picture, it looked like meat, but then they gave me fat.
One spicy and one's not.
Okay.
Layer of chili sauce on.
Ah, okay. Is it good? Very spicy.
If it had meat, it'd be good.
Look at the crust section.
Good.
Crispy chicken.
Big as your head.
It's as big as my head.
£2.50. Chinatown, how much?
Chinatown, £10 for a portion. This one was 100 Taiwanese dollars. This one, 80 Taiwanese dollars. Stinky tofu. Nice.
Try it.
This is cute. For the sulong bao from Taiwan. It's hot, it's hot. Good? You guys know when the last one? What condiments do you want? Chili, garlic.
Oh, I didn't know how strong it is.
Dun dun donkey. Hi. Guys, you can buy Wagyu. $7-Eleven. Cool.
Was it strawberry?
No, yours is the original.
Original yogurt, I think.
Mine's strawberry yogurt. And then also got a soft serve cone.
I'm so tired.
Same.
I've only slept probably 2 hours in the last 24 hours.
Yeah, that's mad. Ooh,
Maybe good.
guys, it smells good. I'll let you have the first bite.
Yogurt is good. Not good.
Is it not? Mmm!
Not that good. That means you should have it.
That means it's good. Let me try the strawberry one, guys.
What's better?
That's not as milky as Hankou though.
I like the sourness. It's not as soft.
The one in Korea is better.
Did we eat a lot just now? But it's shared between 4, 1.6,
Down from?
2.1,
How much is that?
500,
In pound?
£12 maybe? £12? Is it £12? Oh, one soggy. 你像那个 poster
Time. We've done quite well though, considering we've only got like a few hours of sleep on the plane.